Hey, maganda siya. It's so freaking hot. Come on. Ilagay muna natin tong ground beef na niluto ko, guys. Just go, over there. Kasi gito ko na to kahapon. And syempre, kailangan ko na siyang lutuin or else hindi nila ito lulutuin, masasayang. Ito ko, kasi tonight, dinner kami sa labas. And, yeah. Guys, ganito lang tayo. Tapos mo yan, paganda. Tapos na to. Sa Tokyo Steak kami mag-dinner. Sila.
Guys, be careful because that thing is hot right there.
Ang bigas ko, guys. Oh, ang dami. Nag-break out talaga ng face ko ng bongga, guys. Dito na kami, guys. It's like 1 minute. You okay? Tawa-tawa siya, guys.
What if it's closed?
It says open. It's like 1 minute from our house. That's why we have the best. Yan, baho. May ano? May smell it.
Water bottle. Wait.
Okay, that's fine. Is that yours?
It's very old.
Hi, Gabriel. Gabriel. Yes, yeah. You locked the car? Is it ano?
Waiting for you guys to get
Okay, let's go. It's okay, it's locked now. Tara. At least wala masyadong crowded. Wala masyadong tao dito, guys. Hindi siya crowded. Thank you, my love. I like that. You say that.
What did you say?
Na-na-na. Tokyo Steak for dinner, guys. Pambam.
Where's your hair fake?
Oh, let's go follow her. She said follow. Ito pala, oh. Middle. Why not?
Gave us all the time.
Okay, that's fine. Wait, where is Kuya?
I'm gonna film this for you.
Shimano. Guys, ayan.
I gotta film this for you.
Ayan yung menu nila din, guys. Si Gabriel nandyan sa gilid. Which one do you want? Okay. What about you, Kuya? Did you see what you want? Go for the dinner.
Yeah, that's what's good. Where's this?
This is good, right?
If not, you guys can just have the dinner. That's it. Thank you so much. First meal, soup, sopas, sushi. Ito ang tagaluto namin. You don't want that. That looks fresh. Vegetables. May pasalad pa. Oh, ayan. Yeah, so cute ha. Tingnan niyo yung kanin. Ba. Fried rice lang kakainin niya dito. Ayan ang food, oh. Sarap. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Is that good? Ito ng order ni Cassie. Steak. Ay, may shrimp pa. And for Kuya, shrimp. And that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
I enjoy this.
Same thing lang naman kay Kuya na food. And Gabriel is having rice. Rice lang yan sa kanya. Inaantay ko pa ang steak ko. Waiting for my steak. Sarap ito.
Good, good, good. Everything good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Did you even eat? You're being dainty.
Ayun ko lang, nag-enjoy ba tong aking asawa. Ayan yung food niya. Chicken, steak, fried rice. Sige lang, kain lang. Guys, done with our dinner. Oh, come on, be quiet. So full, guys. Thank you, Lord. He needs a fresh air. I know, don't tell anybody. Thank you, Lord. Medyo pricey siya, but it's okay. Once in a while, siguro. Okay. Take
Trim
out.
that bush.
Kasi sila, hindi po sila bonggang kumain. Ako, munti ko na maubos ang food ko. Anyway, so nakapunta na kami dyan ha, before. Kaya lang gusto namin matry din ni Gabriel na medyo malaki na siya. Medyo pricey lang, guys. Sa yun lang, pwede na kaming kumain doon sa buffet ng karami-raming shrimp at karami-raming ano. Tapos sa buffet, especially W Spoon, masarap yung hibachi grill nila. Dito, magkano na bayad namin? Doble. Tapos yun lang ang food. Pero kasi special dahil sa harap talaga lutuin. Pareho lang naman sa W Spoon. Gusto na naman kasi matry ni Gabriel. Is everybody full? Babe?
Yeah.
You guys? How about you, Gabriel?
What?
Are you guys full?
Yeah.
Had fun? Enjoy? Yummy dinner? Ako na sasagot. Yes. Uwi na kami, guys. Gayos lang ako ngayon ng nice tube. Damay. Gayos lang ako ngayon ng mga bagahe. Hinahanda ko na at saka kailangan ko silang i-weigh para hindi siya lumagpas sa 50 pounds. Yan ako kapag magbabakasyon ka is especially hindi ako nagpabalik kasi rush yung, hindi naman totally rush pero parang hindi pinaghandaan yung pagbili ng ticket ba kaya kasi naantay ko kasi yung passport ni Cassie. So finally, Alam mo na, kaya humasayang yung ticket dahil wala pa yung passport niya. So, nung naging okay na, natanggap na namin yung passport niya, yun, nag-book na kami agad ng ticket. So, ang nangyari, wala na akong time na magpabalik bayan box pa. Diba? Kasi usually guys, mga pasulubong, pinapadala ko una doon. Para pagdating, para less hassle ba? This time, talagang hassle kasi halos mga pasalubong, konti lang yung damit na dinala namin. But that's all. Ito na yun. Ito yung kailangan nating i-weigh. Kasi yung tatlo na weigh na natin. Bigat na nito. See? Parang mabigat siya. Oh my God. Bigat 58. Agad-agad. Guys, update. Itong luggage na ito na sumakit na talaga ang aking likod. Guys, kakabalik, timbang, balik, bawas, timbang. This is the hardest part, no? Kasi hindi mo talaga siya ma-perfect yung dapat less 50 pounds. So, meron tayong iiwan na dalawang. Ayan, yung tela, guys. Dalawa na naman. So, atin na naman tong iwi-weigh. Diyos ko, guys, pang 5th na talaga to, guys. Masakit ng katawan ko. And then, hopefully, ouch! Bigat kasi, guys. Ito na yon, they're all sealed na. Yung tatlo. Ready to go. Dumi, no? Ito na lang isa.